Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to recover a deleted Snapchat account. Now this is one of the most popular inquiries out there for Snapchat, so let me show you how to do it. So there are two different ways, right? First way is reactivating your account. Second way is reactivating your deleted account, right? So these are two different ways. So first way is you can open your Snapchat on your mobile phone and then click login. Now enter username, enter the password of the account that you deleted, and then you can click yes when Snapchat asks you if you want to reactivate the account. You click basically OK, and then an email will be sent to you saying that your account has been reactivated. Now this is the first way how to do it, right? Now the second way, let's say you don't have access to your account, right? You can't really log in into your account either, right? What you will do is you will contact Snapchat support on desktop. So let me show you. Let's jump on my computer and let me show you how to do just that. So as you can see, we're currently on Snapchat support.snapchat.com. Here what you will need to go to is you will need to go contact us, and then from contact us go I can't access my account. From there go to I see an error message when I log in, and then this display message will be here, and then you just click yes, and then here you'll be able to basically describe your problem, right? So for example, username, make sure to put your username. Email address, make sure to put your email address. Mobile phone, make sure to put your mobile phone. Device as well. When did you start having issue, attachment, and everything, right? Now what I also would suggest, if you can't really go into this page, so what I will do is I would definitely go with a friend's account. I would log in into my friend's account, and then I would submit a support ticket through his account saying that my friend's account, right, or my account got banned or deleted, and this is the best way to do it as well. One of my friends got their account with this as well, which is awesome. So if you want to recover your Snapchat account, this is the best way. These are the two best ways to do it. So if you have any questions or comments around this, or if you want help during this process, comment down below and I'll help you out. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.